Thank you all our amazing Saladmaster families, both those who joined us here on Saturday physically and those who joined us online. Last Saturday was quite interesting. In fact, it was a bomb. We talked about diabetes, cellular cleansing, and so many other interesting health tips. And this coming Saturday, we promise you, is going to be the bomb. What do you think, Mr. Gray?
Absolutely, Gladys. Listen, we had an epic moment on Saturday. Both those that were online and those that came to the office on Saturday. We talked about how fat and oil is the major culprit of some of the lifestyle diseases. This Saturday is going to be even better because we'll focus on high blood pressure and high cholesterol. This 30 days healthy food challenge is for you. If you're a Saladmaster owner or you are someone who wants to invest in Saladmaster, this is the best time. You can join anytime. Join us as we bring health through food to Nigerian families. And Saladmaster, we change lives. Thank you.
Your health is your wealth. Now don't you forget it. These are the words my father told me back when